Here's the USB flash drive on an old laptop, and in Windows 7 it says backuper healthy active. Open a file explorer window. It is seeing the 8 GB flash drive, which is called backuper, and it's seeing the contents also. Here's a laptop which has Windows 10 and 11 on it, and it's not seeing the flash drive. Backuper is not present. Right click this PC, show more options, manage, disk management, and this is the backuper, which is around 8 GB in size. This says healthy active primary, but I cannot add the drive letter to it. So Windows 11 is not seeing this USB flash drive as Windows 7 is seeing it. This is Windows 10. Insert the same flash drive. There is no backuper here. And finally, under Windows 10, if I insert the USB flash drive, now it is visible. How I managed to make it visible? Well, I installed the program. It's Aomei Partition Assistant. It's the free version. And this is the flash drive. Right click on it, come here to Advanced, and somewhere here there was an option to hide partition. And after using the hide command, the partition was visible. If I use the unhide, now let's see, will it be invisible? So it's exactly the opposite. Apply, proceed, yes, continue. Congratulations. Now open a file explorer and it's not visible. Let's remove the flash drive, reinsert the USB flash drive again. Let's just put this one to the left and the file explorer to the right. So right click on the flash drive, Advanced, hide partition, OK, and apply. Proceed. Yes. And voila, after hiding the partition is visible. There are the contents of that flash drive. And there you have it. It's a FAT32 8 GB partition. Contents are readable.